Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana has shown us a three-wave pullback. So you can see that here the price pulled back in what I would consider an ABC structure. Highlighted that in the last update yesterday. We saw that this ABC was unfolding. And we did hold above the previous swing low, or we are holding at the moment at least above this previous swing low. There has been a bit of a reaction there. We start to push higher, but we haven't broken out to the upside yet. So we're a little bit in no man's land because the pullback is a three-wave move. So it technically keeps the door open for higher. But it would actually look best with, I think, another extension to the downside, a break below that red line, so that we're actually entering this orange here, this orange support region for a possible wave 2 pullback. Yeah, so like that. I'm just labeling it complete because the three-wave pullback is done, but it might just be the A wave of wave 2. We might now be in a B wave of wave 2 and then get another C wave down like that. You know, 3 waves down in A, B, C, but that was the wrong tool. A, B, C. And then these are the Fibonacci levels to watch. Essentially, in bullish markets, pullbacks are sometimes really shallow. So I'm already considering that this wave 2 could be over, but it would be a really weak wave 2. I mean, it only really reached the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement, which I'm not even showing. And some people think that a wave 2 like that is not valid because it's not deep enough. Well, that's not the case. There is technically no minimum a wave 2 needs to reach based on Elliott wave rules and guidelines. But, well, the guidelines tell us, but it's not a rule. The guidelines tell us the wave 2 should go a little bit lower, right? So ideally, at least the 38.2 retracement. But that's only a guideline, not a rule. Sometimes even the 50% Fib level is normally ideal. But in very bullish markets, and at the moment you could say the crypto market is bullish. Well, okay, the altcoins not so much, but Solana certainly. Bitcoin certainly, right? So it can be that pullbacks are really shallow. So that means if we break above this week's high, which formed here on Tuesday at $226 roughly, just below that, then I will assume we are already in the third wave. But it's a bit too early to confirm it now. I'm a bit skeptical, but I want to highlight, look, it's possible we've bottomed there. The invalidation point for that would, of course, be the last low broken. So $201, yeah, this low from today. That's a very key invalidation point. So as long as we're holding that, it's possible wave 3 has started, but this wave count relies on the let's say on an unreliable wave 2, which is too short, too weak to be clear. And therefore we should keep an open mind that until we get that sustained break above $226, above the Tuesday high, we could get a wider wave 2, which would indicate wave A, wave B, wave C. And if that's the case, then this wave C should start from this current price region. And we would then look at $186.87. We would watch 178.90 and maybe even 168.15. Then we have a larger ABC structure, which is absolutely fine. So whether we get another deeper pullback or not should be decided very, very soon in the current price region. And then I would call that, first of all, a wider wave 2. Yeah? The yellow scenario is possible. It's an even wider correction, even deeper correction in a wave 4. So to keep it simple, the green scenario shouldn't break below 168.15, but obviously doesn't need to reach it as long as we're not breaking below it. Green seems to be in control, which allows for more direct upside extensions. Okay, if we break below it, then the yellow count could be in control, but in the yellow scenario, the 152.74 level needs to hold. So these are the levels that matter. Let's first see if we can hold the intraday low. And if we do, then and break above 226, then I will update targets for the green third wave. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. For those who are interested in render updates, because I had received a lot of requests, I uploaded a video today on X, on our X profile. You'll find the link in the description to the X profile. Make sure you follow it if you're interested in those updates. some of these are not published on YouTube. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.